So we're just going up to the right here. This is the very start. Walking with Sean and John. Yeah, lovely surroundings. What a day. So just about 2.2k in, you're going to come to a bit of a junction. It's going to be left to the Beinn Ghlas. I think this is the bypass path that we're coming back on. We're going to take the right, follow Sean and John up there. See, there's a few others. Up onto the ridge, up to Beinn Ghlas. See you at the next one. This is how the path is the whole way. Absolutely cracking path. It's steep in some parts though. Not sure what it's like on Beinn Ghlas, but we'll see a little bit later on. That's the first sight of snow. Boys are just slightly ahead, hoping this is the final ascent up. And lovely path all the way. Stunning views. Don't think there's anywhere else I'd rather be. So the path is covered in a little bit of snow, so just slightly off the path, but nice and easy. The lads are just going up there now. Nearly there. That view's not changed. Maybe a bit out of breath. Lads are putting me to shame here. I can just blame the filming, but actually I just want breath. That's the first sighting of the trig. Beinn Ghlas, 1100 or so metres. Lovely spot. You can actually pitch here. Wow. Nice to get on the flat for a wee bit as well. So, slight reward. Hopefully don't slip in the snow. So that's us just approaching the summit of the first Munro. The lads are here, beat me to it. Beinn Ghlas, just over 1100 metres. Looking over to Beinn Ghlas, 1200 or so. So it's us leaving Beinn Ghlas, across the ridge onto Beinn Ghlas. Short descent, it looks quite steep on the other side. Notably colder, but the path looks quite good. And yeah, looking forward to it. I'll see you at the next one. So here we go, the flat is gone. Starting to climb up to Beinn Ghlas. Sean's skipping ahead. Path looks good still. Yeah, so the breathing's about to get a bit heavier. So we're climbing up onto Beinn Ghlas from Beinn Ghlas. Still going strong. Look at that view. Whew, we're lucky today. The best day it's been for a while. Sweating a bit. See you in the next one. If you're looking for an idea how steep it is, that's it. Steepest part we've been on today for sure. That's where we're going. That's the first view of the trig there. It's quite a bit away, but positive vibes when you see it. Don't know if anyone's got a sledge. That's some drop. Wow. There we go. Summit, Beinn Ghlas. Thank you. That'll do us.
That was good.
1200 and so metres. Lovely cairn there as well. 1,214 metres.
So we're only
1,214 Junction firms.
So we're only about 130 metres before below Beinn Ghlas.
Crazy amount of Munros in sight. Neil Cornick, nice and close to us. We can look over to the Nevis range as well. And we can also look across. Got Ben Moor, Ben Lomond. Ben Vorlich in the background. Still growing. Ben Quanzi. Fantastic. But now time to drop down and get a wee bit of lunch. Fuel us back up for the hour and a half, 2 hour walk back. So that's us started the descent from Beinn Ghlas. Looking over to Beinn Ghlas. We're going to try the bypass path on the right to see if it's going back up Beinn Ghlas, but notice there's a little bit of snow there. I think it should be fine. Again, if the conditions are too bad, we'll just go back up over the top. So this is the point where you're going to see two paths. There's the bypass path on the right hand side, which swings round Beinn Ghlas. So that you could go back up Beinn Ghlas, but you're going to be working a lot harder. I think it maybe be the safer option going up there today, but we're going to try it out on the bypass. So yeah, looking back up to Beinn Ghlas, came down the path. A well made bypass path actually. A wee bit of snow on there. So we hit our first obstacle on the bypass route, as we expected. Some deep snow. We've got John kitted out here with the poles in case he has to do some sort of arrest here if he slips. But I'm sending him across. It's quite deep in some points, as you can see. But if he hopefully gets up to the footsteps where Sean's been, we'll be fine. I'll just try and follow behind him. What a day. There we go, obstacle done. 3 of us across, nice and safe. So what we're doing is we're coming off the path just to get out of the snow, and we're going to follow this kind of part up and through the gap. Hopefully it's a wee bit safer than going through the snow. Boys are sledging. So that's us kind of made our way round Beinn Ghlas, coming up to the Pitlochry between the two Munros, and then we'll find our way back onto the path. We're quite steep there, that's the snow. Got a little bit of sledging in as well, which was fantastic. Reminds you of being a kid. that's us just back at the kind of base of the Munro there. Path up to Beinn Ghlas. We've just scouted around the lower part of it. I'd actually maybe recommend going up the bypass, up to Beinn Ghlas and then back on Beinn Ghlas. It might be an easier climb if you're that way inclined. Thank you.
So it's like 4 stalls back. Yeah.
So that brings an end to today's walk in the Beinn Ghlas range, and we went up Beinn Ghlas, which is quite a steep climb up to the top. We moved on from there to Beinn Ghlas. So 1100 metres roughly, Beinn Ghlas up to 1240 I think for Beinn Ghlas. A cracking day with the lads, nice to have some company this time. A certain improvement weather conditions since the last one, Beinn Vui. But a fantastic day out, face is red, spent a lot of time in the sun. which is maybe going to be pain tomorrow, but we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please give the channel give the video a like and follow the channel, subscribe if you wish, it really helps out. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If there's a particular one you'd maybe like me to do, put it in the comments and I'll take a look at it, see what I can do.